Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. On this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, in part 12 of Generative AI application development and deployment with Azure Kubernetes, I shall proceed with the further programming requirement of this app. On this website, you will find the training material for Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Azure Web CICD as well. If you need any help, please message me on the channel. On this channel, every video is prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start for the 12th part of this series, Generative AI application development and deployment on AKS Azure Kubernetes part 12. So, as I have explained in the last part of this series, now in part 12 we shall import another library as well, FAISS. Import FAISS, Facebook AI Similarity Search, high performance vector database for storing the embedding and performing the for similarity search. So this is the FAISS is the database that we shall use in the application. The next one is the load QA chain. Load the QA libraries, import a pre-built question answering chain from the lang chain. A domain connect document plus LLM model, process the input, generate the answer. So we shall import load underscore QA underscore chain from the lang chain question answering domain. After that, in the next one, again, we shall import chat OpenAI. Import chat OpenAI wrapper from the lang chain, allow you to interact with the OpenAI chat model like ChatGPT 3.4 and 5. On the start of our Python file, we shall write from langchain underscore community dot chat underscore model import chat OpenAI. So for the next one, we shall write the OpenAI API keys. That OpenAI key I have already created in the start of this series and guide step by step how we can create the OpenAI keys. Store the OpenAI key, authentication for GPT model. After that, after writing the Open API keys in the code, the next step is we shall now build the interface of our application. Like when we write st.header DevOps King app, display the header title at the top of the application. So by using the Streamlit UI setup, we shall write st.header DevOps King app. This programming will give us the header title of the application. The next one is the add file uploader to accept the PDF file only. Now after that, with st.sidebar, on the sidebar of our application, we shall define something like one is the title of for your document, and after that we shall define the type of the data that we are providing to our application. Right now, as I have discussed in the start of this series, we are providing the PDF document. Our PDF document will be read by the application and will show the data on the screen. So create the sidebar in the Streamlit application, add your documents, add a file uploaded that accept the PDF file only. File will hold the uploaded file object. In our case, in the start of this series, I have uploaded the PDF document. So after that, in this, extract the data from the file. Up to this point, we have uploaded the PDF document that have a data for our application. Now we are extracting the PDF text. If file is not none, PDF reader is equal to PDF reader file. This line will read the file. After that, we shall read it line by line. For page in PDF underscore reader dot page text plus equal to, we are concatenating the text. Like in simple word, the explanation are given in the bottom. Like check if the file was uploaded. Use the PDF reader to read the PDF file. Loops through the all pages of the PDF. Extract text from each page and append it to the variable text as shown in the coding. And the next one is the st.write text could display the extracted text in the application. So this piece of code is doing the 5 things that I have explained in the bottom. The next one is the splitting the text. As I explained in the diagram of the generative AI application, all the step by step in the diagram. Like first of all, we shall provide the PDF. After that, our application converted to chunk. Now, right now, splitting the text underscore splitter, recursive character text splitter equal to. Now we are passing some parameter for the text splitter. Separator is one line, the chunk size is 1000, and the chunk overlap is 150, and the length function is equal to len. In order to apply, after applying this, the each parameter is explained in the bottom. Like create a recursive character splitter object, prefix splitting text at line break. Each chunk has maximum of 1000 character, and after that, chunk overlap by 150 character helps maintain text. And the last one is the define how length is measured here character account. And the last one is the split PDF text into chunk and commented string.write chunk could display them. After that, we shall generate the embedding from our generated text. Embedding equal to OpenAI embedding. We shall pass the parameter of OpenAI key equal to OpenAI key. Initialize the OpenAI embedding. Convert text chunk into vector embedding. So we are now making the database of our chunk. We are, in simple word, we are putting all of our text in the vector database so that we can use by applying the search from the user. The next one is the vector store. Creation of the vector store. Vector store equal to FAISS dot from underscore text chunks embedding. Create a FAIS vector store from the chunk. After that, store embedding in memory for the fast similarity search. So up to this point, we have put our data into our vector database. First of all, we have provided the PDF document. After that, that PDF document is converted into the small pieces. After converted into the small pieces, then we create the embedding of this small chunk of the data. After, and the next step is that we have saved all the chunk embedding in the vector database so that we can perform the search on the data. So in the next part of this series, will be the last part of the series. We shall display all the data by using the application. Best of luck. See you in the next part of this series.